Hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. I have a Galaxy vintage 12 inches dustpan here. I just got lucky. I just picked this one in a thrift store or in a Goodwill store. So I'll give you some like before and after restoring for this pan. But to restore it, I'm not gonna change anything. I just gonna clean it, and I just want to do like the original. I'm not gonna do some painting. I just gonna show you how to clean it. And as you can see, the this one is peel it up. So I'm just gonna give you some idea how to that one stick on. And as you can see, I think the last or the previous owner of this one, they used this one while painting their house. That's why there's like a splash of white paint right there. They never take it off while this one they paint their thing or their house. As you can see, it's very dirty. I show you the close-up look. So that's the Galaxy name. See, I show you this one is dirty. So I soak it in a water later with some detergent on it or some chemical. See, it's very dirty. Maybe they never cleaned this one since this one is brand new. So the close-up look is very dirty. So just hang on and I'll do step by step how to clean this vintage Galaxy dustpan. The number one, I like this one. You see the color of the blue. They have nice color, vibrant color of the spring propeller of this electric pan. So I just bought it $7.99 plus tax from the Goodwill the other day. Okay, I'm gonna give you some close-up look again, and after that I clean it. Okay, you not see this every day, on the edge of this pan, right? You see the lock that hold the grill is plastic. That one's very fragile. Okay, just hang on. As you can see, I already put some adhesive to this part, and I put some clamps on it. I wait until dry, and we proceed to the next cleaning. I'll wait until like sit there for an hour to dry, and I use this Gorilla house glue. Okay, and we'll proceed to cleaning, restoration of this one soon later. Okay, to get a good adhesive on it, I put some 2 clamps. So this clamp is very helpful every time I do some project. It helps me a lot. Okay, So see you later again. I already pried out the plastic holder, so it's still at the edge, is still in good shape. It's almost, there's a mark of crack right there, but still hold. And this one, I already pried this one to make it all even. Earlier there's a bend to this part right here. As you can see, this one is misaligned, that one, but I already fixed it. I don't want to make a lot of pores to pull it out or to align it, because this one is brittle because of the age. So I just leave it like that, as long that, as you can see, it's already almost even, the grill. I just leave it like that, and I'm gonna soak all the parts here, put some detergent, soap and water, and I just sit there for like period of time to dissolve all the dirty. As you can see, the blade is very dirty. There's a spot of the white paint, so they just leave this sit in their room while they're painting. That's why you see, as you can see, there's a lot of spot of paint right there. And as I told you earlier, this one they never cleaned since they bought it. So that one is not bad, it's very bad. So I'm just gonna clean that today and give you some update later. Okay, all right. So the last people that they open this one, they not pay attention the one that they do. See, this part they already have chips, so I just leave it like that, clean it, and have nothing to do about it. I'm not sure if there is still this one online when you buy this, but I can put the stopper here, it still works. So that's the only damage so far. And the other one, so the main cover of this one to lock it, still in good shape. There's no any crack or damage. So the metal, this part is still, they have a good thread, so there's no any damage on it. So I'm gonna start soaking this one in a chemical, so to clean it. Okay, I just show you how this one is a little bit difficult to take care of. I spray some W40 earlier, and I use some rubber mallet to pry it because it's hard. But I didn't see any like cheap peel when I take it up, so it means this one's from the past owner. Okay, give me a second. Look at how dirty is the body, this plastic one, man, it's not very good. The good thing I picked this one up, or else soon this one is gonna be pried up, so it's gonna be overheating because they don't have enough ventilation because of this dirty thing. Show you go around, see. And this one I tried to fix it, I show later. Maybe I'm gonna drill some hole here and put some screw so that have some access to like rotation of this fan. So in order to this one work, you need to put some extension here so that you can pull it out. This is the way it works. When you push it, so that one's is gonna be rotating because it aligned to those groove or spline. So when you pull it out, so it stop rotating. So that's the simple mechanism of that one. So far the only damage that I see is this one and the one for the blue propeller of this fan. But that one, it's 100%. I can still do some remedies to fix it. Okay. So we just keep going, and so I'm using this brush now to take care of the little bit dust. And after this one, I use the compressor to finalize, to keep this one like very clean. So I use my compressor so that you can blow out this all dust that the brush is not, it cannot reach that. You see, there's still a dirty right there. I use my compressor so that they can take care of those. Alright. So at first, I use my simple green. That's the best to use this one first, but it dissolve all the contamination right there, oil, dust. This one of the best for cleaner. There's a little bit bad odor of this chemical, but it's not gonna harm you. I use this one most of the time. But they never pay me to use this simple green. I just use this one for the cleaning. So I let that sit in a while, and after that I put some water on it. Okay, and I'm gonna proceed to use the compressor to take care of those dust that you cannot reach it. So I'm gonna go to my back or my front to use that compressor. Okay, so here we go. So here's my compressor nipple. So start so that they can kick it out the dust that stick in this fan. So it's 99% now. The dirt is gone. That's why the good thing, if you have this kind of sprayer. So keep it up. So let's continue how to clean this one, okay? So I'm in a serious cleaning now. I already soaked this one in like water. So this one I already scrub it. I about to rinse it now for like plain water. And I still soaking this one, the grill, because the grill is a lot of dust and there's already stain. But I don't want to do some paint of this one. I just want to keep it in a original like lamination on it. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this one now. Rinse it in plain water, and I'm gonna dry it out before to put it in. And I need to dump some oil to those mechanical of those pan later. I just gonna use the good oil, so that this one it turns smooth and it runs smooth too. Okay, I show you that processing too. Okay, so I putting some oil now. I use this one zero friction to prevent the.
Nasa schedule, may schedule ako eh.
So you need to be generous for putting oils. Just a little dab, and that's it.
Sorry, maingay. Ulitin mo.
So I use the needle type oiler. So I'm gonna show you later how this one when I put it back everything. This one is one of the part of the process. You need to sit this pan like that, because they never use the mechanical of the rotation for how many years. So that's why you need to keep it on and sit in the ground for like 30 minutes so that you can stretch all the mechanism of this pan. So this one is my own idea. So I just let this machine rotate for 30 minutes and keep it running without blade and without any loads. Okay. So but it's like back to normal when you put everything back, all the parts. Have you noticed it's very smooth now? You don't hear any noises. So from her age, you see how it's smooth, even though it's old. And they have very nice pinion for rotating right there. and it's very small. Okay. As you can see, I improvised this one. This one is broken for the one I showed you earlier. So I already fixed it. So I just continue to put this one together.